website called wholesalecentral.com. This is a directory of suppliers, and most of the suppliers on here are from the US, okay? So they're not overseas. And we don't even want to deal with overseas suppliers anyways, because overseas suppliers sell generic products. We only want to deal with name brand products. So for example, look at this supplier right here. You can see that they sell Gillette, Dove, 3M, this makeup brand. These are name brand products that you can find inside of a Target, that you can find inside of a Kroger, a Walmart, etc. We want to deal with these types of suppliers that have access to these types of products, okay? I'm gonna go to visit website. If I go to products, you can see that these are the types of products, guys, that we want to sell on Amazon. Like this whey protein brand is a popular brand. This Dial soap is a popular soap. Like these are the types of products that are going to be on page number 1 of Amazon, okay? This product right here is called 6-Star Whey Protein Plus, right? Go to Amazon, 6-Star Whey Protein. It's the same exact product that this supplier has right here, okay? By pulling up this product, I can use this Chrome extension. It's called Amazon Scout. And you can see that it's gonna pull up the product and show me how much money a month this product is doing on Amazon. So you can see that this is the product that we pulled up, whey protein powder by 6-Star, selling for $39 on Amazon. This is what Amazon is gonna charge you to sell this product. So your FBA fees is gonna be around $12.